I mean, I think I hope it's just like I sort of mentioned before. I think a legacy of, a bygone era, and it's just an industry that takes, and then sort of ironically, right? It's this very, very slow moving industry. It's ironic that I don't know if it's really ironic, but they're all about, changing the world and investing in change. But
Yeah.
because of the structures of these funds, it just takes so long. And a lot of these, so what happens is these partnerships, like they'll raise a fund and, if you look at the average returns of the industry as a whole, they're basically zero for the last decade, which means that they're really making all of their money on these management fees, which is basically the disproportionate amount goes to partner salaries. And so there's a real incentive to not, financial incentive to just sort of hunker down and just not promote new people to be partners. So there just isn't much change. So my hope is just that it's just a legacy of, a different era, and it's changing incredibly slowly, but it will change. But maybe I'm naive, but I think, by the way, it's not just, some kind of like societal, important for, gender equality and all these things. I think they would be better investors because,
Yes. Yeah.
Half the market are women, and a lot of the best investments, are going to target women, and
Yeah.
women investors are probably better at understanding a lot of those things. So I think it's, I would just, putting aside, if I had my own VC firm today and could pick anyone to run it, like I would have someone, no doubt I would have, a couple of, a significant portion being women just for financial reasons.